Hello, welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. What I'm going to be doing today, I have a hair appointment at 4:15. But before that, I need to go to Walmart, which I didn't do yesterday, and maybe swing by Ulta. I found some little travel packs to put like my shampoo and stuff like that in for our trip, but I found those at Target, but I don't know really how sturdy they are, so I'm going to see what Walmart has and then what Ulta has. And then I need to show you that what I found at Target. They still have a lot of cute stuff at the dollar spot. And then I need to wrap my husband's Christmas present. And other than that, I don't know what we're going to be doing this evening. We've talked about maybe going to Sam's, so maybe we'll do that. I really don't know, but I'm sure we'll get into something today. But I'm getting ready to take me some Sambuca. I don't know if you've all heard of that, but I get it at Walmart, and I think it's really good if you try not to catch anything. It's just black elderberry. I've had the gummies, and I've had the little, I prefer the liquid, but the gummies are easier to do, so let me pick up some things, and we'll go in my craft room, and I'll show you what I found. Okay, I don't know how I missed this at the beginning of the year. I mean, the beginning of December or whenever Target Dollar Spot put this out. But it's an interchangeable decor, and it includes a frame and 4 double-sided prints. So you can say one thing on this side and then switch to another thing. And it slides right down in there in the top. I think this is so cute. And it was $5. I could even put something on here in my Cricut, so I could do a lot of different things with that. So I love that. Then I just saw this really cute rubber stamp at the dollar spot, $1, and it just says, "Do not open until Christmas, special delivery, North Pole." You could even stamp that on like some brown paper and wrap gifts with. This is so cute. Then I just thought these were hilarious. There are like, they call them Santa's straw, they call them Santa straw charms. And you just slip your straw right down through the back. And I think that is hilarious, so I thought that would be fun. Then, like I said, I don't know where I was, but this is so cute. It matches those signs. Baking cookies for Santa with this. I think it's really cute. And then this little pot holder. I really like pot holders better than oven mitts because usually the oven mitts don't fit me. And this was $3, but I thought that was really cute, and you get both of them. And then this one, I'm going to have a lot of these for next year because gingerbread. Look at that. Made with love, Mrs. Claus Cookie Company. Baked fresh and served nightly, and you get 2 of them for $2. No, for $5. This was $5. This one was $5, and this one was $3. I guess because you get 2 of the tea towels and then 1 pot holder and a towel with this. But I thought, wouldn't that be so cute in my gingerbread kitchen? And this matches that other sign too. So, and then I just saw these little wooden like little words that you can put on things. Welcome to our winter wonderland is really what it says, but you can just put it on anything. They're wood cutouts, and this is what it would look like. So I thought that would be really cute, and it was $3. And then this, it just says December 25th, cut out of wood, and you could do something like that. I thought that was super cute. And that is $3. And then, I don't know, maybe my Target was late getting it out. Maybe I really didn't go to Target a whole lot. But look at these beautiful little bowls. They have the snowflakes inside. I think they're so cute. And they were $5. And then the rest of this is just for our trip. I picked up a little packages of tissues. They're always good to put in your purse. And then this is what I was telling you about earlier. This is what I picked up. It's supposedly TSA approved. But I don't know. This feels kind of flimsy, and I'm not so much worried about this. Is I don't want the bottles to leak, so I don't know how that'll go. Now, it's a man's world. Look what they had in the same spot, but for men. I mean, perfect. TSA approved. Why doesn't somebody do that for women? I don't get it. So then I just picked up, I'm not going to be taking any soap or anything, so I just thought I'd try out this Oil of Olay body wash, and it really does, it smells really good, and it's Ultra Moisture Shea Butter. So I'm going to try that on the trip. And then this isn't the deodorant that I use the Baxter deodorant. It's a healthy deodorant. It doesn't contain aluminum, but I don't have a travel size of that. So I just thought I'd try this Secret Luxe Lavender. I think it smells pretty good. And then while we were in there, my husband got something on his hands, so we had to pick up some Purell. I really like the Mrs. Meyer's, but they didn't have the hand sanitizer. I thought that was really weird. So that is all that I picked up at Target. So I think what we'll do next is we will go wrap my husband's, at least one of his Christmas presents. Look at what the wrapping paper that I found at Target last night when I went back to get my jacket. This is so cute. It looks like candy cane. And then I really liked this one. It's just such plaid. It's really pretty. And then I picked up this bow. I thought they would go nicely with the wrapping paper and this bow. So I have got to get wrapping his present. And Melvin, it's not going to do you a bit of good because I'm not going to show what I bought you. He watches my videos. So, if he thinks he is going to get to see, oh, wrongo Keebler. We still have some Christmas shopping to do for some of our nieces and nephews. And we've bought Mom one gift, and I know what else we're getting her. It's just, we had to wait to be able to pick it up. So I'm excited about that. But like I said, we know what we're going to get her, so it's just a matter of going and getting it. It's just so wild. I mean, to me, Christmas seems like it's flying this year. And I did hear that Thanksgiving came later this year. I didn't even know that. I think one of you told me that. So I had no clue. I need to go check out Dollar Tree, but we have a lot of wrapping paper left over. I just wanted something a little different for his packages. And then the one package, another one. I'm glad you all are enjoying Vlogmas. I'm having so much fun with it. Okay. So far, so good. Okay, I think I've decided to put this white one on his, give it that kind of candy cane theme. And I thought that would be so cute to put one of these little ornaments from Walmart on here. I think that will be really cute. I love it. It's adorable. One project. Almost time to go get my hair cut. I have a couple hours, and so I thought we would just go on to Walmart, maybe Ulta. I'm taking this to the lady that cuts my hair so that they can shampoo my hair with my shampoo because, like I said, I have horrible allergies. And then I'm just taking this conditioner that I got when I colored my hair because they just use so much of it and I don't want to waste it. And here's what we ended up putting the Snickerdoodle cookies in. They are so good. Those don't have the nuts. Oh my gosh. And these have nuts. So we will go ahead and leave and go. I think I'm kind of hungry and I don't really have anything here that I want. I ate all of the turkey and cheese that I had bought at Publix in the deli. So I think I'm going to go to Taco Bell. Not the greatest for you, but I really do love their bean burritos. So I think we'll go to Taco Bell, then we'll go to Walmart and maybe... Okay, we are in the drive-thru at Taco Bell. And everybody's on the road today. It's like crazy. I think everybody's feeling that, oh, it's really close to Christmas. So maybe that's what it is, but it is so busy. But I can't wait to get my burrito. Ooh, I love it. And I always get a medium Pepsi. I like my Pepsi when it's not too sweet and it doesn't have too much of that carbonation. That's what I really love. So let's get our burrito and we'll eat it and then we will go. Okay, we're at Walmart. I found this Infallible Pro Glow. It's in the shade 201 Classic Ivory. I think that might be my color. It's definitely to where I could take it on my carry-on. But then I also found this Fit Me Dewy Smooth. This is Fair Porcelain, and this one is Natural Ivory. And I can't decide between which. I think I'm going to get this one. Now I'm looking at it on the camera. I think that's more my skin tone. So I think I'm going to get those two and see if maybe I like one of these, because I don't want to take my powders with me. It's just so much to have to carry. So I think I'm going to try this. I used to get regular 100% cotton, but I've noticed that they have like this nasty odor when you put like astringent or something on it. And when I get the organic, it's better. Let me know in the description box if you found that to be the way your experiences are, but I don't know. So I think I'm going to get this. Ziploc containing the clutter bags. Supposedly you can take them on the airplane. They come in really cute designs, and I could put my charger in some of them, and you get 5, so I'm definitely going to get that. And then these Swiss spurs, that's what I buy at Publix. So I'm going to get these. They're organic cotton rounds. I know they don't have a foul. Okay, I'm headed to get my hair cut. So I'll probably look a little bit different when I come back out, because I usually get it fixed real curly. So I'll see you after my hair. Hi, I'm back from my haircut. I just got out having my hair cut, and I love Alice. If you're in the Pensacola area, it's Alice at the Penton House. They have one in Pensacola and they have one in Pace, and I really love it, and she fixes it really curly, and I think that's a cute, really cute change. So now I'm headed home, and I'm going to meet up with Melvin. He should be home or home shortly. And then I think we're going to have our last of our leftovers of that chicken tortellini soup, which was so good. And then we might go to Sam's. I'm not sure what we're going to get. Okay, now that I'm back home, let me show you what I purchased before I got my hair cut at Walmart. But a lot of this you've seen when when I was shopping, but I'll just show you briefly what I got. Okay, like you saw in the clip, I got this Ziploc contain the clutter little baggies, and you get 5, and they're really cute, and they're TSA compliant supposedly. And then what you didn't see in the clip, I picked up some of these scrunchies because I thought they were really cute. Then I picked this up 2 loofahs. That way we can take it, shower with it, and just leave it. And then, like you saw, the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and then the L'Oreal Infallible. I'm going to see which one I like. And then these organic cotton rounds. So that is all I picked. Okay, these have the nuts. I'm telling you, that is an awesome cookie. Well, Melvin just got home, and I have to see what we're going to do about dinner, whether he wants to have leftovers. Sam's, And he's going to get some of this tuna for his lunch. He really likes that, so he has some of that. And we have some paper towels so far. Not a lot, but that is what we are currently up to.
Well, we need to find some pine nuts, baby.
Okay.
Pine nuts, and how's our walnuts?
Oh, look. I love these. Organic.
They make our smoothies so good, baby.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I love those. We're going to get some of those pine nuts.
Okay.
And then we have our walnuts. And I think that is about all we need to get cute. Look at that. It's the Harvest Melamine Batter Bowl set. You get all these.
Oh, we're like making things.
Uh-huh.
They all come with lids.
Mm-hmm, that's cute.
That's adorable.
And that is clearance, $16.91.
Not bad.
I guess this is all kind of like their melamine things.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, what is this? Oh, some of that pre-meal prep stuff.
Oh, check that out. A lot of meals.
Mm-hmm. Oh, look at this. Isn't this cute? Copper shaft, little.
I love the color.
$39.98.
It's a black and gold too. I like that greenish color that all the time.
I do too. I think that's why I really thought that was so cute. You found something you liked?
Viking, yeah, that's nice. You know how I like the silk. I like that. And I love the glass lids like
I do
this.
too. That
and
makes
look
it
at
handy.
that.
Oh, the measurements.
Yeah,
that
look.
is nice. I do like
Glass
the
lid
measurements.
vented.
Mm-hmm. That's a lot like our Cook's
Yeah. The,
one that we make pasta in that we love.
Yeah, we got a couple.
I like that. And you get a lot of pieces.
Yeah.
13 pieces.
And none of it's non-stick, which is really good for
Yeah.
you. Vented glass lids, triple ply construction.
That's
Really
nice.
nice set.
Reactive, non-reactive surgical steel. We got hungry, so we stopped in Sam's and got us the deal that I got the pepperoni pizza and he had some cream, and then you get drinks. So we are about to enjoy. We just got back from Sam's, and I thought I'd show you what we picked up.
That's the last of it, baby.
Okay, we just got these paper towels. We always get these. I think they're just as good as the Bounty paper towels, and they are select-a-size, and they're a lot cheaper than the Bounty. And then I just picked up my walnuts for my smoothie and my organic pine nuts that I put in our smoothie and our silk almond milk. And then my husband got this for his lunch. So I guess we're going to end Vlogmas right here. We had a wonderful time today, and I don't know what we'll get into tomorrow.
We'll try something.
Yeah, we'll get into something fun tomorrow. So good night, and love you guys.